In order to succeed in any exam situation, whether it's your mocks, tests or actual exams, you will need to implement a range of strategies to ensure you are successful. This video will look at some revision techniques that you can use to help you with your exams. Let's have a look at this infographic of an iceberg. The tip of the iceberg is what everybody around us, your parents, your teachers, observes and celebrates when you get those results. However, look at how much effort goes into being successful. What people don't see is the dedication that you need to put in to be successful. The hard work, the discipline. Yes, you may find that you may be disappointed with some stuff, you may have to sacrifice something, but if you are persistent and you are dedicated and you put the hard work in, you will become successful. Revising is bringing information and facts to your mind. It is practicing and making sure you have learnt the information to apply effectively in an assessment. Here are the three main elements to a successful revision programme: to prepare, practice and perform. Let's look at that first element, to prepare. Start early and make a plan. Create a space to conduct your revision. Mix it up with the different techniques, ensuring that you cover all subjects, and take regular breaks. Create a revision timetable. Mix your subjects up. Look at your exam timetable to make sure you haven't left any other subjects. Utilise the time effectively. Alternate between your favourite subject and a more difficult one. Once you have created your revision timetable, share it with your parents, share it with your friends. Let people know what you are going to be doing to help motivate you and also to motivate yourself. We don't all have photographic memories. Therefore, we need to develop strategies to learn and apply our knowledge. So the next couple of slides that I will show you will be looking at different techniques to help you with your revision. Here are some examples of techniques that you can use. Flashcards. These are a great tool as they are able to travel with you. So if you've got a spare 10 minutes in your car, you can have a quick look at your flashcards to help you just to go over something quick. Quizzes. You can use quizzes, subject-specific quizzes, to help test your knowledge. Mnemonics. Basically, this is a system such as a pattern of letters, ideas or associations which assist with remembering something. Or using video, YouTube videos, or any audio podcast. More about that later. Research shows that we remember 95% of what we teach to others and just 10% of what we read. So if you have a friend who's studying the same subject as you, then you could both teach a topic to each other. If you can teach it, you have learnt it and you understand it. You can create posters to summarise key information. You can make it colourful, use highlighters, use images. Another technique you could use are mind maps. So you start on the centre of a blank landscape page, could be A3, a poster, or even on the computer. You can either write the topic out in the middle or use an image, and then use words and pictures throughout the map wherever possible, using a single keyword just to remind you of the topic that you are studying. The lines make the associations between the ideas as clear as possible. They all interlink and connect to the topic you are writing or revising on. Here's an example of a completed mind map. They have put the topic in the middle and used branching lines on different areas of the Macbeth topic. You can see they put Act 1, 2 and 3. They've even put little quotations in there to help them remember the key parts. You can use the mind map how you see fit for the subject that you are studying. You can test your memory skills of any key knowledge of the topics that you are studying. You can do this with a brain dump, where you write down the knowledge that you have on the topic that you are studying within certain times, like 30 seconds to a minute. You can then check to see if you are correct and add to your brain dump from any of the revision notes that you have. Another strategy that you could use to help prioritise what you need to revise is use a colour-coded system, just like a traffic light system. You could use folders or highlighters to organise and identify topics that you either don't know and you need to prioritise your revision for that topic. So you can either highlight it red or place it in a red coloured folder. Or do you need to do a little bit more revision? You may then put that in an amber coloured or orange coloured folder, or you highlight it, or that you are confident with the topics that you are studying. So you highlight that green and place that within a green folder. Similar to what you can see on your screen here with an example of the marketing mixer and how they've rated how much they know. You can then use this to prioritise what you need to revise for. Using podcasts are a great way of reinforcing your existing knowledge. Research has shown that podcasts aid deep learning, linking between different topics. And the great thing about podcasts, you can listen to it whenever and wherever you are. They're portable. Another way to revise is using digital applications. Everybody at the Allen has access to the apps on Office 365. These apps will allow you to either write, present, record your revision. An example on your screen right now is OneNote. OneNote is a hub that keeps all your notes together electronically. It keeps you organised in separate notebooks, individual sections, and you can add different multimedia components to the notebook. Videos, links to other websites, sound. It is a great way to organise your notes electronically. Another app that you can use in Office 365 is the presentation software like PowerPoint and Sway. Could you make your own videos to help you with your revision so that you can watch and listen to them repeatedly? Could you share that with others? You can do this by using Stream on Office 365. One of the most important elements of revising is understanding what your exam entails. So doing practice exam papers is a great way to become familiar with the exam technique, to understand the exam format and test what you have learned. Establish a quiet and timed exam environment to practice these papers. And a little great tip here is read the examiner's comments that are provided by WJC. This video has gone through some techniques and there are others that will hopefully help you get going with your revision for your exam. Mix it up, try different methods, find out what is best for you and the way you learn. Remember, we are trying to succeed in those exams, so do what is best for you. The next couple of slides is all about what is out there to help you with your revision. The links will be sent to you via email or on Teams, through your subject or through your form tutor. The first one that we can see here is what we've got on our school website. These links will be sent to you, so don't worry about writing any of these down. So for example, I've clicked on the Allen School how to prepare effectively exams and it comes up with a PDF. You can have a read of this information to help you prepare for your exams. The other links to help you prepare for your exams include things like revision strategies, how to start your revision, how to make revision notes from the Allen School website. There's also a YouTube link to a 10-minute video from a student who went through the exams and 10 revision techniques that actually work. And also the WJC Examination Board has created a revision tips for you. So have a look at these sites to help you prepare for your exams. There are other organisations out there to help you with your revision. Like, for example, the Examination Board WJC. They have provided free resources for you to use to help you with your revision, whether it's to go over topics through the blended learning link or just looking at the knowledge organisers. You've also got other websites such as subject-specific sites on YouTube, or you could be looking at websites like Quizlet or Seneca that can quickly test your knowledge of any topic that you are studying. We are just going to have a quick look at the WJC Blended Learning website. Once you are on the blended site, what you need to do is scroll down to the subject that you are revising for. In this case, I'm going to showcase the business site. Select the level and the topic you want to revise. The next step is to click on the Open resource, which will take you to an interactive self-study content on the topic that you have selected. The link then takes you to the dashboard, so you can see on the left-hand side of the screen the different chapters, but you can also link through the buttons where it says Begin. It will take you through some activities where you can read, there may be video links, there may be even self-check and even exam questions. Have a browse at the blended learning. It's very good in terms of interactivity. It also goes over theory that you need, and you may also pick out key terms by hovering over anything that's highlighted. It's a very good interactive tool for any topics that you're studying for the subject that you are revising for. WJEC have also provided free knowledge organisers that you can use to help support your learning. I will show you how to get to those sources now. When you have clicked the link that you have been provided with, or you can do a quick Google search, put in WJC Knowledge Organisers, it will take you to the home page. You just scroll down to find the subject that you are revising for and then click on the link on the unit that you want to study. Once you have clicked on the unit link, it will take you then to the files that are linked with that particular unit. So then you can choose the relevant source to help you with your revision. You can see here now that they have provided these knowledge organisers that are quite short, snappy, straight to the point information to help you with your revision for your subject. Yes, there will be times when it will be difficult, and yes, you may be feeling the stress and the pressure of exams. So please take a look at the links that we have provided to help you deal with exam stress and pressure, to help you with your well-being. Hopefully this video has given you some ideas of what you need to do to help you succeed in the exams. From preparation to practicing strategies, revision techniques, resources and tools to use for you to ultimately perform to the best of your ability. If you need any other support, please speak to your subject teachers or your form tutors. Good luck.